Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the best ways to make money online with your WordPress website. Over the years, WordPress has emerged as a powerful tool for building different online businesses. You can integrate e-commerce plugins to sell physical or digital products and even provide services through your WordPress website. Did you know that aside from online stores, there are other ways to make money with WordPress? Say you run a blog on a topic or niche you're passionate about. Well, you can monetize that through subscriptions or affiliate links. Learn about this and more by watching our list of 8 ways to make money online with WordPress. The first one on our list is offering WordPress development services. Consider yourself a WordPress whiz. Then turn your passion into profit by offering WordPress services. Sit down and think about your skills. Are you a full-stack developer? Or maybe your skills lie with plugin development, website maintenance, theme customization, technical SEO, or all of them. In the last few years, the demand for skilled and experienced professionals has increased with the growing popularity of WordPress. So, by offering these services, not only can you help others manage their WordPress websites, but also earn a good income. To market your skills, create a portfolio website using, you guessed it, WordPress. If you don't know where to get started, you can use themes like Wonder, Astrad, and Ocean WP to get your website's first look. A good online portfolio has pages like About Me, Services, and Contact Us. You can also add a case study/success story page highlighting clients you have worked with. To attract clients, be sure to include related keywords in your website content, blogs, or case study. You can also add a form for clients to fill in and leave their inquiries. WForms is the best WordPress plugin for this purpose. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to create a portfolio website, check out this video. Starting your e-commerce website with WordPress is easy. If you are interested in drop shipping or selling physical products or services, WordPress offers a wide range of plugins to help you launch an online store. One popular choice for online stores is WooCommerce. This feature-rich e-commerce plugin empowers you to set up and manage fully functional and powerful online stores on WordPress. It also happens to be one of the world's most popular e-commerce platforms. To date, WooCommerce powers over 5 million online stores and processing payments, fulfilling orders, and inventory management. To boost your store's chances of success, it's crucial to choose the best WooCommerce hosting provider. You can look anywhere online, and you'll find that most sites recommend Bluehost. We offer not only pre-installed WooCommerce on our affordable plans, but you also get free SSL and YIF-powered features like a setup wizard that helps you launch your store with the Wonder theme, gift cards to help you boost revenue and build customer relationships, and a booking system that works best for service-based industries. With a track record of high performance and 24/7 support, you're bound to get everything you need from our WooCommerce plans. Make sure to check them out via the link in the description. Want to turn your skills and expertise into a profitable venture? Start freelance business. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or have any other valuable skill, freelancing can help you offer your services as an independent professional. But how do you get started with freelancing? The steps are simple. First, identify your skills and the services you can offer to clients. Remember to focus on areas where you excel and where there is demand for your services. Once you've identified your niche, create your portfolio website. A strong portfolio helps potential clients understand the value you bring and builds trust in your abilities. In addition to this, you can sign up on online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr and showcase your skills, display your previous projects, and highlight client testimonials. Another important aspect of freelancing is networking. Reach out to your existing professional connections, join industry-specific groups, attend events, and engage in online communities. Building relationships with potential clients and fellow freelancers can lead to referrals and collaborations, helping you create more opportunities. Next is pricing. Many freelancers don't know how much to charge for their service. We suggest you start by researching market rates for similar services in your industry while considering factors like your experience, expertise, and the value you bring to clients. Remember, it is essential to charge a fair rate for your skills, but it is equally important to keep your fees competitive. Affiliate marketing is a partnership program that allows you to earn referral commissions by promoting others' products and services through various channels like your website, blog, social media, or email. This way, you don't have to create your own products or deal with customer service. To get started, you first need to join an affiliate program. Many companies and brands offer their own partnership programs. Bluehost has one too. Joining our affiliate program lets you earn a good commission for each qualified referral. Plus, it's free. So, how do these programs work? Once you're accepted into an affiliate program, you get unique affiliate links. These links later help you track referrals and sales made through your promotions. This also ensures you receive proper credit for your efforts. There are plenty of ways to promote affiliate products. You may want to make a review, film a tutorial video, or create a short skit. The sky's the limit. Don't forget to leave the links in the video description, say if you're making a YouTube video, or link them in your blog. Remember, your audience trusts your opinion. So, be transparent and authentic while promoting products. Only recommend ones you truly vouch for. Everything from cleaning services to snack boxes comes in subscriptions nowadays. So why not do the same for your website content? Subscriptions or exclusive memberships are a great way to earn recurring income. To get started, you need to decide what type of content or benefits you can offer to entice your audience to subscribe. It may include access to in-depth tutorials, exclusive articles, video courses, downloadable resources, or even a community forum where members can engage with you and each other. Next, you need membership plugins that can integrate seamlessly with your website. These plugins provide infrastructure to manage subscriptions, process payments, and grant access to your exclusive content. For example, if you want to sell subscriptions for online courses or content, you can use Thrive Apprentice plugin. It limits access to members-only courses. WP Members Membership plugin, Easy Digital Downloads, and BuddyPress are some other great plugins to sell subscriptions for exclusive content. Once you set up your platform, the next step is to create membership levels for your users. Each level can have different pricing plans, perks, and access. The best way to generate initial interest and attract early adopters is by launching an introductory or limited-time offer. To get insight into how your subscription website is performing, use tracking plugins such as Monster Insights or Exact Metrics. These tools will provide actionable metrics like acquisition rate, cancellation rate, and content engagement. The next step is deciding payment gateway. For safe payment processing, use a reputable payment option like PayPal or Stripe that accepts monthly recurring payments. As your subscription base grows, it's important to nurture your community and provide ongoing value. So, engage with your members regularly and respond to their feedback. This helps build a supportive community with your subscribers. Has your website earned decent authority and good traffic? Then you can offer space on your website for individuals and businesses to share articles, videos, or other content types. This way, you get to bring fresh perspectives to your audience while earning on the side. A win-win, right? But how do you monetize this opportunity? Well, there are different approaches you can take. A common way is receiving sponsorships from brands that will pay to feature their content or advertisement on your website. This increases their visibility by giving them good exposure to your audience. To get started, add clear guidelines for content submission to ensure the quality and relevance of their content. You could also define the type of content you expect from the contributors, including any formatting and promotional guidelines they need to follow. By hosting content on your website, you attract top-notch paying content creators and establish your platform as a go-to destination for quality content. Another way to monetize your website is to sign up for Google AdSense. This free program by Google allows website owners like you to display targeted ads on your site and get paid for it. These ads come in multiple formats, such as images, text, and even videos. The magic happens when someone interacts with the ad. For example, if someone clicks on the ad or views it multiple times, you get paid for it. Are you a creative looking to share your work with the world? Sell them on your WordPress site. WordPress is the best website builder platform you can use to sell different digital goods online. These are products that users can easily download and store on their devices after making a purchase, such as ebooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, software, digital artworks, etc. Want to securely transfer digital products to customers, monitor transactions, or manage customer support? There's a plugin for that. For instance, you can use WordPress Download Manager to easily manage, track, and control file downloads from your site. For a smooth and seamless checkout process, install the Digital Goods for WooCommerce checkout plugin and process orders faster. Now, if you're a content creator, selling digital versions of your creations can be tricky. Aside from using a payment plugin like WordPress Simple Shopping Cart to secure your transactions, you can also take steps to protect your art. You can start by adding watermarks to images or videos you display on your site. Many content creators also register their work with copyright offices. This should give you additional legal protection in case of copyright infringement. Besides WordPress development services, you can also offer business consultancy in your field of expertise. This may include marketing, finance, and business strategy, among others. To establish yourself as a professional consultant and attract clients, create a professional consulting website that effectively communicates your expertise. This will allow your clients to easily reach you and book a consultation session directly from your website. For capturing relevant information from inquiries, create customized forms using WordPress plugins like WP Form. Apart from this, use appointment booking plugins like WooCommerce Bookings to easily manage your schedule. Want to further expand your reach? Provide online consultation services via video conferencing tools such as Zoom or Skype. And there you have it. You now know 8 effective ways to earn money with a WordPress website. These methods are not get-rich-quick schemes. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, dedication, and effort. Did you find our list helpful? Then, give a big thumbs up to our video and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more helpful videos on WordPress. Thank you, and see you next time.